Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React and Cognito. So today we are going to learn about the forgot password in Cognito with the help of the React. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So I will show you first the UI. So here we have this one. Enter your email. Okay, so first of all, those email I want to reset that code or change the password, I will go with that one. Okay, so here we have the temp mail. So let me go and just check this one. So this is, let me copy. This is the email that is in the Cognito. I will show you. Right, so let me go to this one, user React pool. Here we have the users. Okay, so this is the user, that this is confirmed, everything is there, but I want to change the password. Okay, so here we go with that one. Enter the email. So send code, so it will go to the verification code. Let me check the verification code. Back to the list. So here we have the code. So this is the code. Right, let me add this one code into our React application. So here we have the code, and let's set the password. So I'm going to set the password here. mm, Test at the rate 123. Okay, so let's reset this one. Is there any error? So it said password does not confirm policy, password must have uppercase. Okay, so uppercase is missing, so let's add the last caps key. Okay, now reset. It's done. So let's log in with that one. Okay, so I'm going to add this one, and we have a password is test. Okay, at the rate 123 caps t. Okay, let's try to sign in, and here we go, we are signed in. Okay, so this is how we are able to forget the password and change that password. So let's go to the dive into the code level and how we are going to achieve this one. Okay, so this is the full-fledged forget password template or the component. Okay, so here we are using the Amazon Cognito Identity JS, right? So here we have the forgot password. So initial email, reset code, new password, all are blank, and the by default step is one. Here you need to configure the pool ID, or you can go with the default one. So this is pool ID you need to configure, or you can make it in configurable in some of here like cognito.js, right? So I have make a different component with all the data, right? So this dot user pool cognito, this pool data. Then we have a handle forgot password. Okay, so here we have the username and the pool cognito, the function which is triggering over here, that is forgot password. On success we set the step second. On failure we will show the error, and here input verification code we have to set with this one. So let me grab this. Okay, after this one we have a confirmation password reset. So here we have the another confirm password function of that AWS Cognito. So here you need to pass the reset code and the new password. After the confirmation of the reset code, okay, it will return you the success that everything is done. After that, you, if it is something wrong, went wrong, it will show you the error, like the password we are changing that too long or something, it show that error. Okay, then we have the render one. So here we have the render, to prop the state, email, reset code, new password, and the step. So here we have the, if step equal to 1, first we are just showing the enter the email with the send reset button. Okay, if the step is 1, then this is showing. After the step 2 is changed, okay, then we were showing the enter the verification code and changing the new password. Okay, after that one, click on the handle confirm reset password. It will take the new password and the reset code. Okay, and it will try to and it will change the password. Okay, so this is how we are able to do the forgot password in the help of the React Cognito. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.